I got a little biscuit here. It's about 3-to-1. It's about 19 millimeters thick in the middle, and I want to thin this down and try to preserve as much size as I can. We're going to be using copper, so we want to heavily grind the edges and make sure that the edges are round. You really can't over grind these edges when you're using copper. We plan to do some abo biscuits in the future. This billet is a bit beat up, but I'm going to use it anyway. This is a 2.5-inch cap. Look around for a place to hit, and there's a nice contour right here. Let's try to knock a big flake off right there. Okay, I didn't go as deep as I wanted, but that's okay. I'm going to go down to a 2-inch cap. I thought that other bopper was a little bit too heavy. I'm going to try to knock a big flake this way. It's nice, well-defined contour here. Look how far that flake went. Let's try to run this ridge here. I missed. Okay, let's try to run this ridge. Nice. Now a couple flakes here, and we'll have a flat surface over here. Go to the other side. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, we have some contour on this side, but we need to build our edge back up. So thicken up the edge by beveling a little bit. Let's check our thickness now. We're down to less than 13, so we went from 19 something to 12 something. So we lost about 7 millimeters thickness. Alright, now we're going to blast some big flakes on this side. I'm going to switch down to a 1.5-inch bopper. I should take a little more time to prepare these edges, but I always rush when I'm making a video. I don't want to have too much boring time doing prep work. Okay, let's run some big flakes with this 1.5-inch bopper. See how big that flake was? And well past the middle of the piece. Come over here. Same thing. Now one in the middle. Okay, I messed up on that one, but we can get from the other side. Have a real good opportunity to blast all of this off from this area right here. Got it. Let's see here. No more straightening, trimming. Couple more thinning flakes. I got a little cut on this finger, but it's just a little thing. They like to bleed a lot on the end of the finger. Try to run a flake almost all the way across this piece here. There we go, all the way, went all the way to there. So if I could get one more going back this way, that'd be really nice. So let's try that. Prepare this edge. There. Well, now I need to go back over here. Okay. Let's try to run right through there. That's good enough. I need one more back on that side now because of this ridge we created. Trying to get it thin enough in the middle to suit me. There we go. That really did it. Nice, good, big, thin and flake in the middle there. Went all the way to here. So this is so close. There's a little hinge right there, but it's right on the edge here. We can clean that up very easy. It's gone. Okay, there's a little thickness down in here. So let's shoot up through there. Get rid of that. Okay, I just remembered I'm taking baby aspirin, and little bitty cuts is bleeding a whole lot more than you'd expect. Okay, I'm gonna thin the basal area down here, right through there. Perfect. I need one right over in here. Great. A little bit of area on the tip needs thinning down. Great. Alright. A little bit right through here. Oh man, that was really good thinning right there. That was really great. A little more on the tip here. Okay. I'm going to leave the tip area for pressure flaking. The rest of this has got a nice body on it. Let's see if we're under 8 millimeters. Anything 8 or below is good for me. We're right at 9. All through here is about 9 millimeters. Probably after pressure flaking we'll be at 8. Let's check our width here. We're at 55 millimeters. So we're something like 6 to 1 here. So we went from 3 to 1 to 6 to 1. Got a nice thin blade, still nice and wide. There are no bad boo-boos in the big area here. The base is nice and thin. This is a real good preform for a nice project for a 4-inch point. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing.